Now let's start creating assembly model of Plummer Block. Start with new and select assembly and check the default template and give the assembly name Plummer Block. Okay, assembly. Okay, and select the metric unit template. Okay, assemble the part. Start with black and fix its position so that it will be fully constrained. And assemble the cap next. Align this with this and pull it up and orient this to holes. Okay, and then match this surface with the bottom surface. Okay, okay. Oh, bottom surface of this. Sometimes I'm skipping. Okay, select the bottom surface of this part to the bottom surface of this and give coincident so fully constrained. Okay, now let us assemble the brass sleeve. Concentric to this. Okay, and then this surface. Okay, into definition, this surface to that surface. Make it coincident. Assembled. And assemble the bolt. Okay, concentric to, let us go to that bottom, concentric to the hole, concentric to the hole. Okay, and then these two should be concentric and flip it around. Coincident, these two should coincident. Okay, another nut. Assemble another bolt. Sorry, these two coincident and new constraint should be coincident with these two surfaces. Okay, it's fully constrained. Done. Then the lock nut. Assemble it with this surface, then pull it up. These two surfaces should coincident. Flip it. Okay, done. Then assemble another lock nut coincident with these two circular elements, and then surface of this to this, flip it around to coincident. Done. This is what assembly modeling of Plummer Block. Thank you for watching.